So we did a thing. What did we do? We got a fifth. It's not new. It's used. We have not stocked it yet, but I did spend about 3 hours out here cleaning. It's got your cabinets back there. Cabinets above the bed, cabinet on each side. It's got these cabinets over here. So it's kind of a walk around bathroom. Got your clothes hanger here. Your shower. Then you can come back out. That way anybody can come in and go to the bathroom right here. Or we can come out of the bedroom and come to the bathroom here. And then we step down into the living room. This comes out to a bed. And you got your 2 recliners. And then the table will also convert down to a bed. And then you got your in kitchen down here. Lots of cabinets up there. And then your entertainment center with lots of cabinet space. And then you got your cabinets above the bed. And cabinets above the recliners. So rear kitchen, fifth.